Hello everyone. Today I am going to read a book to your children and the name of the book is The Boat. Basically your children will develop listening skills and they will be able to link the stories in sequence, the events that are happening in the stories. Let us begin with the story.
The name of the story is The Boat by V. Sute. Let us see who all are there in the story. A ladybird, a mouse, an ant, a chick and a frog. Let's see what's happening in the story. A frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant and a ladybird all went out for a walk. Soon they came to the bank of a stream. "Let's have a swim," said the frog and jumped into the water. Do you see the frog jumping into the water? And what are his friends doing? They are looking at him. "But we can't swim," called out the chick, the mouse, the ant and the ladybird. See, can you see? They are so sad because the frog is swimming in the water and they don't know how to swim. "Croak, croak, croak," laughed the frog. "What good are you all?" And he laughed till he nearly choked. Is it good to laugh at your friends, children? The chick, the mouse, and the ant and the ladybird felt very bad. Do you see how they are looking down? Why are they looking down? Because they have felt very, very bad. They thought, what can be done about it? They thought and they thought and they thought. And this is what they did. The chick went away and soon came back with a leaf. Do you see the chick holding the leaf in its beak, children? The mouse fetched half a walnut shell. Can you see the mouse carrying the walnut shell on his head? The ant brought a straw. Oh, can you see a long straw? And the ladybird a long piece of black thread. Can you see the black thread here? See, the ladybird is carrying a black thread. Then they all set to work. They stuck the straw into the bottom of the shell. See what they are doing. They have taken the shell and they are sticking the straw at the bottom of the shell and tied the leaf with it and the thread too. And in a minute they had the prettiest little sailing boat you ever saw. Let's see how the boat looks. They pushed it into the water, jumped onto it and they sailed off. Can you see? They are pushing the boat into the water and see over here they have jumped into the water and they are sailing off. The frog stuck its head out of the water and was going to laugh again, but the boat was far, far away. Do you see the frog? See how it is looking? But where is the boat? The boat sailed far, far away with the ant, chick, mouse and the ladybird. The frog said, much too far for the frog to catch up with it. So the frog is all alone now.
Hope you enjoyed the story. So tell me one thing, children. Who brought the long straw? Do you remember? Yes, the ant brought the long straw. And who brought the long black thread? Do you remember that? Yes, you're right. The ladybird. And tell me, children, when the frog jumped into the water and all the other friends were on the ground, they were not in the water because they didn't know how to swim. Were they sad or were they happy? Do you remember that? Yes, they were very, very sad. Okay, now my dear children, you have seen many words in this story, right? I'm going to show you some words and you have to identify. Okay? Ready, children? Alright. Can you tell me which word is this? You saw it in the book too, right? Can you recall? Yes, this is swim. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. Okay. What about this word? What is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, it's ladybird. Very nice. Okay, children. I've put all the words here. Have a look. See? Do you know these words? Yes? Very nice. Clap for yourself. Thank you for listening, children. Hope you all enjoyed the story. Have a good time. Bye-bye.